Hello guys, you're here today with Josh from Complete Campers Southwest, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2020 Volkswagen Transporter AB conversion. So let's get into it. Here we have the stunning AB conversion. It's looking immaculate in grey. As we go around the van, I'll let you know of anything that you might not see, might not know about, or might not be aware of on this specific conversion. But as always, check out the website. On there you'll find a full breakdown of everything this one has on it, and you'll also find many more pictures as well. So first things first, we've got the Volkswagen alloys. They are absolutely mint. We've got the roof up, the canvas, it looks like it's not been used at all. It's immaculate, got no words to say to that. Over here you've got your hookup point. As we come inside the van, being at Highline, you've got all your steering wheel controls here. You've got your infotainment system over here. As you can see, you've got the app buttons. So you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, MirrorLink, DAB radio, connect your phone up to it, all that good stuff. Down here, you've got all your aircon and your climate control settings for the inside of the van. And this one is a 6-speed as well. As we come around to the rear, you'll notice that we've got the tailgate up. Now on the top of the tailgate, you'll find your reversing camera. On the bottom, down here, you've got your reversing sensors. You've got the back of your rib bed here. On the top, you may be able to see you have a solar panel. That's going to be perfect for those off-grid adventures, keeping that leisure battery topped up all year round. Whilst the sun is shining, your battery is charging. So as we come around, we've got the sliding door open for the habitation area. Let's go and have a look inside. So this one is a 4-berth with 4 travelling belts. So you've got your 2 captain's seats in the front. And then as you come around, you've got 2 other belted seats, 3-point seat belts with Isofix on your rib bed. Cooking facility, or facility-wise inside this one, you've got a camper cool compression fridge and freezer. You've got your usual 2-burner gas hob and your sink there. All those things that you're going to need if you wanted to make a cup of tea, cook a bacon sandwich. Over here you've got your control panel. The switches with the blue lights on, they are your light switches. And then you've got your control panel for your diesel heater just below, which is just here. Now that's going to be great for using this van all year round, because you want to be able to be nice and toasty and warm inside the van rather than letting all that cold air in. So with it being a 4-berth, you've got 2 separate sleeping areas. Your first one is your rib bed. This part will fold over, and this part will drop down. So all in all, you're sleeping on the flat. You can also, on this van, pull this bed further forwards, and that'll give you more space in the back. Your second sleeping area on this one is in your pop top. So we pull this one down, and there you have your second sleeping area. Lovely big bed, loads of space up there. And you can open up these windows on the side. The only reason I've got them shut is because it's so bright today that there'll just be too much light in here. We'll have too much sun on the screen. But other than this van is looks to me to be unused. It's in really, really great condition, and it's in the showroom ready for your viewing. As always, with any vehicle that is purchased through Complete Campers Southwest, we supply a nationwide mechanical and habitation warranty on every single vehicle. We also offer finance, part exchange options on every vehicle as well. Don't forget to check us out on our social medias. We've got Facebook, YouTube, etc. On there you'll be able to find out any exciting news that we have to share with you, but also you'll be able to see any new vehicles that we've got coming into stock. My name's Josh, and this is the 2020 Volkswagen Transporter AB conversion. Thanks for watching.